So we out here hiking.
Ayaw ako mag-video.
Bakit ayaw nyo mag-video? Maybe. Where are we going? Where are we going?
Secret. Baka naman dapat pag nag-hike.
So we're 5 minutes in and we're already tired. I think we should go back.
No.
What do you think? What do you think? She wants to go back. Tamad kasi. So we thought we were on the dirt road already, but still. Yeah. I know. What do you think about the hike so far? So, we don't know where we're going. Liligap kami.
Or, no?
Across the creek.
Close the door. Broken down the remember one time a girl stuck here.
We're lost in the jungle. In the Malibu jungle.
Maybe our children is the right way.
We'll find out. Maybe we're gonna cross the stream.
And then?
Smelling sex. Dito oh. Dito. Right here. Step. Step. Stop. Right here. So we made it to the waterfalls. Hey, say hi. Say hi. So we're here. Don't go chasing waterfalls.
One more, baby.
We're done with the waterfalls. We're going somewhere else.
A different trail.
A different trail. Rising Sun Trail. We've been hiking for 45 minutes.
Mga hinahawakan mo ko.
Hawakan ko daw siya.
Itutulak kita.
Hawakan ko daw siya. See? Yan, I'm holding her. I'm holding her. We're lost. Oh my God! Oh my God!
Thank you, ha?
Nawakan ko kamay niya, guys. You saw it.
Thank you.
Keep on trekking. Keep on trekking. So we were just down there. So na kami. There's so many switchbacks. Look, there's more. Oh my God. But we're almost at the ridge.
Which you know where.
I'm fucking tired. Baby, what do you think of the hike so far?
Hindi na siya boring.
Oh my God. You want to start at the Rising Sun Trail first. Don't do the baby one because it's not there. It's easy. Descent. D-E, pababa.
So pag spring, hindi to patay?
Hindi, buhay.
Mas maganda pag...
Going down the trail. We're losing light.
Oh, baka dun papunta yung mga baka. We're losing light, but I'm not gonna listen.
Medyo ligaw kami. We don't know where we're going. Next time kasama namin yung mga alae. Alae! Alae! Ayan na yung windmill. Windmill. So!
We made it!
We made it. It's been an hour and puta.
Made it, bitch!
An hour and 40 minutes. Yeah, but the view is nice. Sakot na yung pintuan para sa kanya. Ayan.
Dapat hindi ko na sinasabi yun eh. Thank you.